Hello once again to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a code walkthrough and demonstration for my C# 2 Activity 2 Animals project. Let's go ahead and start by running the program. As we can see, it kind of just runs through the code in the main activity, which just creates new animals and runs a couple methods for each one. So the dog just does dog things. It does a talk, does a bark, does a sing. The robin, the only thing we overloaded was the sing, in which it does chirp chirp boyo. The koala on the other hand, we only changed one thing, and that was talk. And it says I'm riddled with STDs because koalas are useless. They're not self-sufficient, and a lot of them are riddled with STDs, and it's a rampant problem for them. Beyond that, we now have the alpaca. The alpaca does the same 3 animal talk, say, and song. I didn't really care to overload any of those, but we added some new ones with its interface, and let's go ahead and go over those. We added the rideable interface to the alpaca, and that gives it 3 methods. Gives it the mount, dismount, start and stop. So that's 4 methods. First, we gotta get on with the gotta ride that alpaca dude. We start it with vroom vroom. We stop it when with whoa there doggy, and we get off the alpaca and dismount it with getting off the alpaca dude. Next, finally, we have the beetle. The beetle implements the edible interface, and it doesn't really overload any. The beetle doesn't overload any of the methods either, so it's the same 3. But in the edible interface, we added a couple new methods to it. The first one is to kill it. If you're going to eat a beetle, you can't really stomp on it, so you gotta sizzle. You gotta cook it in the pan. But you can't just eat everything sometimes. Some people are very picky. You gotta remove the shell, gotta dress the kill, and get to the beetle meats. Finally, there's a method to return the nutritional value of an edible animal, and that would be protein. Lots of protein in terms of this beetle. So let's go ahead and walk through all the code. Animal and robin and dog we all went over in the assignment in the videos. And, let's go ahead and go over the things I made. So the interface for edible has 3 methods. 2, dress and kill, which should apply to every animal that you're going to eat. You gotta dress and kill the animal before you can cook it. And finally, it has a nutritional value, which it returns as a string. The beetle implements the edible interface with dress, kill, and nutritional value, which returns a string. And in my program, it just writes that string there. Rideable has 4 different methods to mount, dismount, start, and stop the animal. You don't exactly start and stop an animal, but that can be changed based off of what animal it is. So all that was in my alpaca class was just running those methods, or creating them, implementing them, and outputting them in the program. Finally, there is the useless interface. It's completely and utterly useless, just like koalas. And speaking of koalas, Koala is the only class here that implements the useless interface, and it does nothing. The koalas do nothing. That's really it. Thank you for watching my video. Hope to see you again soon.